Hello everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Have you ever had the unpleasant experience of submitting an article only for it to be flagged as likely AI generated? If so, you're probably eager to know how to make ChatGPT undetectable. Understanding this process is crucial for bypassing systems like AI detection tools. Let's explore how to make AI text indistinguishable. Step 1. Diversify language and tone. To bypass AI detection, avoid repetitive phrasing or overly formal language. Tools like Turnitin or bypassgpt can help introduce natural variations, making the text flow more like human expression. The downside is that these tools are not free and can be quite expensive. Additionally, mixing long and short sentences improves readability. Another tip is to include personal experiences and specific examples, which can also reduce the chances of being flagged by AISA detectors. Step 2. Stay updated with detection algorithms. While detection algorithms are continuously evolving, AI detection bypass methods are improving in tandem. Whether you use paid tools or free alternatives, the key is to stay consistently updated. By leveraging anti-AI detection tools to test your text, you can enhance your workflow efficiency. Step 3. How to make AI content undetectable. Overusing these techniques can still raise suspicion. If you want faster AI-generated content that is harder to detect, you can use Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below the video for a free trial. Navigate to the homepage, and you'll find a free trial AI Bypass button. Click it to access the dashboard. I'll paste our article here and select the Super Enhanced mode for optimal results. We have two options, AI Checker and Humanize. Let's see what happens. After running the AI Checker test, we found that our article was flagged as AI generated. But don't worry, it's time to humanize it. After processing, we received a fully humanized article that passed all AI detection tests. How to make AI content undetectable depends on combining creative writing with the right tools. Whether you're writing an essay or creating content, these strategies will help you generate text that looks more like it was written by a human. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more useful information about the world of AI. See you next time.